Welcome, Mr. Hydrogen.
Napoleon, Julius Caesar, Christopher Columbus. I'm sure you've heard about them many times, because they all had great influence on their own nations, even continents. But little has been heard about other men, who, though for different reasons, were as important as them. I mean about those men who dedicated their whole lives to science, and therefore contributed to the progress and well-being of humankind. Nowadays, you can do things such as switching the light on with the push of a button, or what you're doing right at this moment, watching the TV. Thanks to a long list of men throughout history, we have discovered such important things as the wheel, the telephone, paper, printing, the pen, the calculator, or the car, for example. Water, water's components. One of those men is called Henry Cavendish, and he is very important to all the characters in our story and to all of us. You!
Hey! Whoa! First I fall flat, and then I plunge into freezing water. And now a roller coaster. Whoa! Woof! They say that after a storm, everything goes quiet.
Quiet? Who would say such a foolish thing?
Oh no, not again!
Cavendish, we've had enough of you.
Oh, good morning, Mr. Farmer.
What's good about it? Darned explosions!
Mr. Farmer, what explodes is...
Damn it!
It's the hydrogen. I assure you that what explodes is...
No, damn it, my cows don't melt anymore. The explosions terrify them. There's drying out. They'll soon give nothing but powdered milk.
Someone should teach that farmer a lesson.
In my country, the cows are sacred.
And in mine, people deserve to be respected. That is no way to say things.
Hello, my name's Raindrop.
Hello, I'm Teadrop. A little drop of tea. Oh, Raindrop, I would like you to meet Colonel Turpentine.
What a name! Named after what?
Ignorant. I serve the Queen. I'm a member of the aristocracy.
Well, so then you must be a very important drop then.
Colonel Turpentine dissolves almost anything, thanks to his great powers.
Ah, so you're a powerful drop.
Of course. I can even deal with osmium and platinum.
I'm from India. The tea there is of great quality.
And where are you from, young man?
Well, I just fell from a cloud. I was up there when the storm began.
With lightning and thunder? How exciting!
Bah, here it rains every day.
By the way, has flu dropped in around here?
Flu?
Who is that flu?
Hello, Flu. Are you bungee jumping? With the spaghetti?
You may hurt yourself.
Get out, water caricatures! You're always bringing bad luck. Oh! Those two always mean bad luck to me.
Nice injection, Flu.
It will be some time before you can sit again. Ha 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 ha.
If you heat more, you'll melt me.
Hey, have you seen Raindrop?
Raindrop? As far as I'm concerned, even an elephant could run over him. This is not my day.
Whoa, Beelzebub, steady.
Cavendish, how nice to see you. Please allow me to help you, my lord. It's a great honor to feel your august foot in my humble.
Hello, Father.
Hello, Henry.
And my lord.
You do remember that tonight is the party, I hope.
What party, Father?
The party the Carrington, Essex, Northumberland, Thackeray, Hyde Whites of Paddington are having. Have you already forgotten?
I can't go. I'm very busy.
Aristocrats do not work. That is for servants and peasants to do.
You are very right, Lord Cavendish.
Shut up, farmer. By the way, I think you better clean up or bathe, you filthy pig.
Not a peep, your lordship. Not a peep out of me.
Father, please don't treat him like that.
Henry, your job is to dance, hunt, go to war.
My war is science, Father. I fight against ignorance.
Science? Damn your books, Henry. Come on, Beelzebub. You know your way better than my son knows his.
His father doesn't understand him. Poor boy.
Poor, you say? He's very rich. He's Lord Cavendish's son.
And why does he live here?
He's trying to find out the formula for water. He wants to discover water.
He wants to make water? Now I understand the explosions.
Really? And what's the relation?
It's easy. Water is a combination of oxygen and hydrogen.
Oxygen and hydrogen are two types of gases.
By joining two gases, you get water? As if by magic?
I guess you could say that. Get oxygen, get hydrogen, light up a match.
And ba-boom! Water appears. That is, me.
Or you appear on Mars because hydrogen is like a bomb. One day he'll put too much hydrogen and you'll see.
Well, well, what an interesting conversation. Hydrogen is like a bomb. Boom! Bada boom! I've got an idea. I have such naughty ideas. As usual.
Scooty, don't move. Look, Scotty, I look like a peanut.
And I look like a ball, Dopey.
Come here, Scotty. I want you to meet a friend.
You frightened me, you clown!
Doesn't your friend ever bathe? He stinks.
He's a very dirty germ, and as such, he mustn't bath.
And who is your noisy friend?
My friend? Oh, he's a Scotsman.
I see. I hear there are many ghosts in Scotland.
A prize for the gentleman Bullseye flew. He's the ghost of a drop that died in a heroic deed.
I was a drop with noble ideals, clean and pure.
Well, don't get close to me. Cleanliness and purity make me sick.
Sick, you say? I thought you were dead, or at least you smell like you were.
They're nothing but clean clowns. Bah!
Flew, wait! How about it before good detergent.
Laugh while you can. When I get hold of you, hydrogen, I'm also gonna have a heck of a bang.
Do you now understand why the English call the fog a sweet pea soup?
Sweet peas or marrows, it's very thick.
Thank God this helpful glowworm is lighting our way.
I wonder where Raindrop is.
Maybe he's inside the house. Let's go in.
Golly, 5 o'clock. Time to have a cup of tea.
Look, the H for hydrogen. And the O for oxygen.
But Cavendish already knows that water is created when joining them together, right?
That is right. Though the problem is here.
Doesn't he know how to open a tap?
He doesn't know how long to leave the tap open for.
He doesn't know what proportion of oxygen and hydrogen he has to combine.
In order to obtain pure water.
Colorless, odorless, and tasteless water.
That is H2O.
H2O?
That is the formula for water. It's an exact recipe.
You have to combine 2 parts of hydrogen
H2O.
with 1 of oxygen.
Ah.
No, O.
So then you two know.
Of course, I'm a cousin of water, like you.
I am also water. Same as Frosty and Raindrop.
Ah! Hello! Nice to see you! Teardrop, Colonel Turpentine, I would like you to meet Nimbus and Frosty.
It's a pleasure, gentlemen.
Hello, Nimbus. And you're Frosty?
Well, if you say so, yes.
Oh. I think Frosty has fallen in love.
Which is the exact formula of water? Or maybe 3 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. Maybe I just have to put a little hydrogen. Lemon tea. What a fantastic combination.
Quack, 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 quack.
That's it. What do you think water's formula is, Elizabeth?
Quack, 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 quack.
Well, I think it's the formula of cookies. Here, I think you've earned it. Though I won't eat it again until I resolve this problem. Us humans should make an effort to know the nature of things. Intelligence and adaptation are related to evolution. You don't understand it, Elizabeth? Or maybe yes. If any of my ancestors hadn't felt that, let's call it curiosity, maybe today I would be living on a tree or scratching my belly. Ah! Darned hydrogen!
What a brute! He nearly smashed us.
Poor man. He is desperate.
Please help him. You know the formula of water. Please.
Of course we're going to help him. This is an emergency and requires immediate action. I'll handle this. And you will all collaborate in whatever is needed. If Teardrop demands it, then tea will be served. I only demand one thing out of you in return.
Whatever you want, Frosty.
Stop crying, please. I'm melting.
Is he also a friend of yours?
Yes, though this one doesn't stink.
Oh, he sure smells like a hero, and that is dangerous.
Hey, Dopey, come up here at once.
No, thank you. We're okay down here.
Then we will come down.
Where are you going? To Scotland. I don't wish to be a hero again. Once was enough for me.
How could we tell? Cavendish, the formula!
I haven't got a clue. I find it hard to think. It's like I had water in my brain.
Well, we should get a move on, otherwise Flu will surprise us with one of his typical malicious moves.
Flu?
If I can do it to put a big stack, very big stack of hydrogen, bada boom, everything will fly apart. Now he is asleep, I'll dictate him a terrible formula. And when he wakes up, he will be convinced that the formula is the correct formula. Put 100 parts of hydrogen and 1 of oxygen. 100 parts of hydrogen and 1 of oxygen. Put 100 parts of hydrogen and 1 of oxygen.
Huh? What?
No! Ouch! This is the end!
100 parts of hydrogen and 1 of oxygen. That's the formula. I only needed a little nap to see things more clearly. It's now clear. 100 parts of hydrogen and 1 of oxygen.
He is mad. Who put that idea in his head?
Flu, I'm sure.
Well, that Flu has just invented the H-bomb.
What do you mean?
If he puts that amount of hydrogen, we'll all end up on the moon.
Well, let's get out. Let's fly.
But you promised to help him.
It's true. We should stay.
Listen, Raindrop, this is going to explode.
Oh, his father doesn't love him, and we abandoned him. Poor boy.
A retreat in time is a victory.
Nobody's retreating! And if we must fly, then we fly!
I'm with him.
I'm scared stiff.
Well, we'd better work something out fast, because the end is near.
Last attempt. If I fail, I'll abandon my work forever.
You'll even abandon planet Earth. How right you are, Cavendish. This will be the last time for all of us.
If I fail, I'll return to my father's mansion. And I will dance, hunt, and go to war.
What can we do? Any ideas?
2 parts of hydrogen and 1 of oxygen!
H2! H2!
I have an idea. Let's play battleships with him.
What do you mean?
And when he says H2, we answer water.
Huh? The crucial moment has arrived. 1 oxygen, and now 100 hydrogens.
I would have liked to know you better.
If this is the end, I'm happy to be with you.
We would have made a perfect couple. Iced tea.
Look at that. It's Nimbus. Nimbus?
I'm not sure. I don't know. Should I trust a dream? HHO? H2O? Yes! Now that makes sense. Phosphorescent Spectre. I don't know who you are, though thank you anyway.
Well done, Nimbus.
Ready for the explosion?
The gas has vanished. The water is crystal clear. It's odorless, tasteless. It's pure water.
Come on, this! This spoiled brat is going to earn me this time!
The water, my friend. The water. H2O. 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 H2O.
You had a brilliant idea, Nimbus.
Brilliant, truly! I wouldn't have done it any better, boy!
The truth is that the glowworms deserve all the credit.
You have enlightened an important scientific discovery.
It's been a pleasure to take part in this. See you soon, guys!
Bye!
Bye! 1, 2, go! See you later!
It was Nimbus's idea, but if it hadn't been for your bravery... Oh, you're a little cheeky, huh?
I'm an ice cube.
We have learned that water is a combination of oxygen and hydrogen, which has a great energy content. Thanks to men like Cavendish, in the near future, other groundbreaking scientists will extract from water the energy needed to move any kind of engines and machinery without polluting the environment. So then, save water, because not only is it the source of life, but it will also be part of the energy in the near future.